Hello everyone and welcome back to Can Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Saeco espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a bit of work. We had to replace this valve that you see right here was leaking all over here, and once we replaced the hose and we tried to use it, we noticed that it was leaking through here. We replaced that gasket as well and it was still leaking all over the place, so it was best to replace at this point. We also serviced the brew unit inside, replaced the valve. We have the internal parts of the valve. The valve is right here, as you can see, so dirty. So the newer one is inside. Brew unit is serviced, lubricated, and the new gasket is in there as well. We also deep clean these spouts, disassemble them completely, make sure that there was no coffee or anything like that, and we also cleaned the hopper of this machine, as it was had a lot of oil from coffee buildup all over this part, and it was just in really bad condition. So starting with one small coffee, we're gonna be testing out this machine. Then we're gonna be using the hot water and then the steam. We already run this machine without any covers or anything, so we know that the steam and the hot water it's not leaking inside the machine as it was doing it previously. Nice steady steam coming out of the machine. Excellent shot, good flow. Here comes the steam. As you can see, nice and steady steam coming out of the machine. Excellent pressure coming out. Looking great. And nice hot water coming out of the machine as well. So there you have it. Saeco Espresso working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing Can Coffee. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit like and hit